Good morning. Please sit down and thank you for coming. Let's start by introducing yourself, starting with applicant number one.
Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity. Let me introduce. My name is Abda Irsya Putra Amiruddin and I am currently studying at Ahmad Dahlan University. And I am focusing on software development and I have a strong skill in programming language such as Java, Python, and JavaScript. Apart from that, I also have experience in database management and understand important concepts such as normalization and indexing. This skill helped me in designing and managing efficient and reliable database. I also enjoy learning, always following the latest development in the world of technology, and I am confident that the combination of my education and experience in the informatics field can make a contribution to the team PT Telkom Indonesia. Thank you.
Thank you for your introduction. Let's move on the next questions. How would you rate your skill in software development or specific competencies?
Thank you for the question. I believe that my skill in software development are very solid. As a student at Ahmad Dahlan University, I have studied programming languages such as Java, Python, and JavaScript. I have experience in developing an application and system using these various technologies.
Thank you for your previous answer. Now, let's focus on aspect of communication skills and teamwork. Can you give an example of a situation where you had to collaborate with team members to complete task or project?
Sure, I love collaborating with the team. For example, during my last college project, we had a development team consisting of students with different backgrounds. I am responsible for developing the front end part of the application. Although we initially had different ideas, we openly discussed to reach agreement on the architecture and design of the user interface.
Great. You give a good overview of your teamwork skills. Next, how do you assess and improve your technical skill over time?
I believe in the concept of continuous learning. I enjoy searching for online resources, reading the latest technical book, and taking online course to stay updated with the latest development in the world of technology. I also actively participate in developer community where I can exchange experience and learn from industry best practice. Finally, I always try to apply the concept I learned in my personal academic project. This helped me not only understand the theory but also apply it in real situation. I believe the combination of formal learning and practical experience provide a strong foundation for my technical growth.
Thank you for your detailed answer. Lastly, how do you respond to pressure or deadlines when working on a project?
I have good experience in managing pressure and deadline during previous project. In the pressure situation, I stay calm and focus on solution. I believe that open communication with the team is very important. I always to try communicate clearly about my progress and identify any obstacles that might arise.
Thank you for the answer you have given. Please return to the previous place. Then applicant number two is invited to sit down and please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you for opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Auliana and I am currently studying at Ahmad Dahlan University. Then during my studies, I have responsibility for a team, work to analyze and manage data IT project.
Thank you, Aulana. Can you explain why you are interested in joining our company?
Oh yeah, of course. I am interested in this company reputation for creating innovation and providing added value for client. Apart from that, I believe that I can rely on my skill in the analyzing data project management and project management in the planning, organizing, and monitoring to achieve this company goals.
How do you overcome the challenge of working in a team?
I believe effective communication and collaboration are key to working in a team. I always to try to listen well, understand team members, points of view, and contribute with ideas that enrich the discussion. Additionally, I do not hesitate to provide support and assistance to teammates when necessary.
Do you have experience in handling complex projects?
Yes, I have experience in managing complex marketing project in previous companies. One example is when I lead a team to launch a large campaign involving multiple media platforms. I manage resource efficiently, ensure deadlines are met, and achieve satisfactory result.
How do you deal with pressure and tight deadlines?
I believe that planning well and setting priorities is the key to deadline. With pressure and tight deadlines, I always create an organized schedule, communicate effective with my team, and I am ready to make adjustment if necessary. And additional, I see challenge as opportunities to grow and learn.
Thank you, Auliana. We will contact you once the selection process is complete. Do you have question or anything else you'd like to share?
Oh, no, thanks.
Okay, please go back to where you were before. Thank you for your very informative answer. We will evaluate and candidates and notify you of the result within a short time. Do you have additional question or comment?
Thank you for opportunity. I don't have my additional question uh, at this home. However, I really hope to contribute to PT Telkom Indonesia. You are welcome.
Good luck and well, let you know soon. Thank you for coming.
Okay. Good afternoon, user. Let's start with the first question. Tell us a little about yourself.
Good afternoon. I'm user Faisal Rahman. I'm studying at Ahmad Dahlan University, specializing in software engineering, and I'm interested in the world of technology and have a strong desire to continue learning and developing in this field.
Good, Mila. Now, what are your main strengths?
My expertise lies primarily in software development. I have deep understanding of programming language and experience in developing applications. Apart from that, I also have good analytical skills and the ability to work in a team.
That's very good. What's about your weakness?
One of my weaknesses is probably being too perfect. I often want to achieve perfect results, which can sometimes take longer. However, I'm trying to manage my time more effectively.
Got it. Now, what's it's your short goals?
My short goal is to complete my studies at Ahmad Dahlan University with good result and in practical work experience in the world of software.
What about long-term goals?
Long term, I want to become an expert in the field of software engineering and be involved in innovative projects that can have a positive impact on the technology industry.
Where do you want to see yourself 5 years from now?
I hope that within 5 years I have gained significant experience in the industry, perhaps have obtained related certifications and becomes a valuable contributor on a software development team.
If you could change one thing about your personality, what would you change and why?
I will probably try to be more confident in conveying my ideas. I believe that improving communication skills is important for continued growth.
What does success mean to you?
The cool things about success is achieving the goals I set, both in my career and personal life, while maintaining balance and making positive contributions to the people around me.
What about the meaning of failure?
For me, failure is part of the learning process. It provides an opportunity to grow and improve oneself. It is important not to be too affected by failure and see it as a step towards success.
Okay, lastly, why should we entertain you?
I have a strong educational foundation in software engineering and have developed practical skills through my project and course. I also have a high enthusiasm for learning and a commitment to make a meaningful contribution in every task I undertake. And I am confident that my combination of technical expertise and interpersonal skills will make me a valuable asset to your team. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.